So hi guys, I'm in a.me today. And if you're wondering, yes, I do have a TikTok. It's fidgets _ XOXO108. Go follow it. I'll put it in the chat. So fidget. Where's the underscore? Underscore XOXO 108. Remember that? I'll put that on my. I'll copy that. It is has a simple dimple as the logo, and if you don't know what a simple dimple looks like, it basically is like this white thing, and then it has like two circles, one, and then I think it has two circles. It's like something like that. Go follow it. It'll be private because you have to follow it, and